Hi, my name is Max Hicks. I'm the owner of Reliant Plumbing. Collectively, we have over 50 years of experience. But what sets us apart from any other plumbing company is our communication level. What we focus on is you.
The reason our communication is so good is because we're transparent throughout the whole process. We're not going to come at the end of the completion of the project and tell you, hey, it's going to be this much more. We want to be totally upfront with the whole process. So if we run into any issues along the way, we're going to pull you aside and let you know.
When you hire someone like plumbing or electrician or something like that, and a lot of the stuff's being done behind the walls, you're just trusting someone to get it done.
A lot of things can go wrong with plumbing, and it can get pretty costly. So we make sure that we show them everything that's going to be done from start to finish with no hidden fees or anything like that. Everything's upfront pricing, and they can see exactly what they're getting and exactly what they're paying for. We're not looking to nickel and dime anybody.
Everybody on Max's team are very capable people. They're very polite people, and I believe they're honest people. They do what they say they're going to do.
One thing that does set us apart, it's about the customer, not about us.
We are available 24/7, so at any point you have an emergency, feel free to give us a call.